There's been a class action settlement with Celsius, and you can earn up to $250 just by filling this form out if you drank Celsius. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how to make that $250. Hey guys, my name is Colton Richardson. I'm a personal injury lawyer, and I have dealt with class action settlements before, and right now there's a Celsius one, but you have to act fast. And you can make up to $250. And I, in fact, drink Celsius, and I did this already, so I can show you exactly what to do. I will put the link in the description below, but this is the website you want to go to. Class Action Settlement. It's Celsius, classactionsettlement.com. They're not spamming you. And here are the steps you will need to take. If you've drank Celsius, either just the normal in the can or a powdered one between January 15th and January 23rd of 2022, you could be entitled to money. So here's a little bit of background on the class action settlement. Defendant labels Celsius labels its products misleadingly, including by describing them as containing no preservatives despite containing citric acid. Defendant denies the allegations and contend that it adds citric acid to its products only to add flavor and not as a preservative. The court did not rule in the favor of either side. The parties agreed to a settlement to avoid the expenses and risks of lawsuit. So they're not saying that they did anything wrong. They're just saying to avoid the expenses and the risk of a jury. So the expenses of a litigation, the lawsuit, which can be extremely costly, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, and the risks of a lawsuit or a trial, because you never know what a jury is going to do. They decided to settle. And you can get in on the settlement if you bought Celsius between January 1st, 2015 and January 23rd of 2022. So here is a little information about the settlement right here. With the court approval, the settlement provides a cash award to class members that submit a valid and timely claim form. Class members who previously purchased a can of product during the class period, so between those dates that I had mentioned, may submit a claim to receive $1 for each can of product. Class members who previously purchased Celsius on the go or Flow Fusion powdered drinks, which typically are sold in packages of 14, may submit a claim to receive $5 per package of 14. Class members who submit approved claims with receipts will be capped at the cash award of $250 per household. Class members who previously purchased a product but who cannot produce a receipt may submit a claim to receive up to $20 per household. So you can get up to $250 per household. If you have more houses, that's an option, but you will need receipts. For me, Celsius was bought on Amazon, and so it was easy to get those receipts. But all you do is you go to this website, you click submit a claim, fill in your information, name, email address, phone number, and mailing address. You press next. It won't let me, but I already filled all this out. On the product selection, you'll let them know which products you drank, either the powdered or the cans. Purchase history, this is where you will upload your purchase receipts, where you'll upload your receipts. And I did this. I combined them all into one PDF to upload. And settlement options on step 4 right here, this is where you will choose how you want your funds to be paid. I can't remember all the options. I did Venmo. Venmo's an option. PayPal's an option. And I went ahead and did Venmo. And then confirmation, you'll get a confirmation number and email with your submission number. So that's how you can get up to $250 from Celsius. Good luck. And if you have any other questions on this, let me know. Just so you know, you have to submit. There's a submission deadline, and it is February 13th. So it is in 2 days. So it's urgent. If you want to jump in on this class action, if you want to exclude yourself from the class action, you have to by that same date. And you can object to the settlement, but you have to by that same date, February 13th. If you want to go to the hearing, ask to speak in court about the settlement, you can on March 31st. And if you do nothing, you will not receive benefits from the settlement, and you will give up certain legal rights. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you actually made a claim to receive part of this settlement fund from Celsius and if it actually worked in the end. And I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this, check this video out, and I think you'll enjoy it.